In 21st century, one of the most pressing environment problem is deforestation. Many of the world's forests are being burned or cut down in order to make way for grazing and farming lands or new buildings and paved roads. If the forestation continues at this rapid rate, the world's forest will vanish in less than 100 years. It is important to understand deforestation and how it affects our efforts to conserve wildlife throughout the world. This kit has several activities that address the important topic of conservation of wildlife. In activity 1, kids will explore how deforestation affects tiger population. From tiger counts, we can determine the numbers of other species like deer. Kids will be introducing to major deforestation elements like land clearing for agriculture, poaching, urbanization, etc. So, next activity is about identifying footprints of animals. Tracking animals is the art of interpreting signs like footprints, nature paths, and nibble plants to discover which animals has recently been foraging, hunting, or resting in a certain area. In this activity, kids will be making their own footprint stamps of bear, leopard, etc. and have great fun imprinting these footprints on mud, soil, sand to identify the animals. The kit ends with board game where 2 to 4 players at a time can play and learn about biosphere reserves.